TVS Jupiter is one of the best-selling gearless scooter in the country. The price of TVS Jupiter starts at Rs 65,673 and goes up to Rs 75,773. TVS Jupiter is offered in 5 variants, and the top variant is the Jupiter ZX disc with IntelliGo, which comes at a price tag of Rs 75,000 to 80,000. We bring you the list of accessories for your TVS Jupiter, which will not only enhance its look but also feel and also keep it safeguarded. Kids scooter guard for your Jupiter. This guard will cost you Rs 1,692. Floor mat, black in color. This floor mat will cost you Rs 347. Kids scooter guard, black in color. This guard, which is black in color, will cost you Rs 1,126. Floor mat designer. Designer floor mat for your Jupiter will cost you Rs 319. Seat cover black pop for your Jupiter. This will obviously enhance the look of your TVS Jupiter. This will cost you Rs 398. Kid scooter guard for the front for your Jupiter. This will cost you Rs 1,759. Kid scooter guard classic. This scooter guard will cost you Rs 1,301. Vehicle cover silver. The silver vehicle cover will cost you Rs 314. Vehicle cover, which is black in color with the TVS branding, which will cost you Rs 405, and the floor mat gold beige in color. This will cost you Rs 371. So guys, these are some of the shortlisted accessories for your TVS Jupiter. Do let us know in the comment section if you want to know about any other accessories other than mentioned in this video. And also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.